sorry about that. Guess it's gonna be a two-parter, guys. I pressed the wrong button. We are tucked in here amongst the tall grass and the spiders. Ooh, because I don't want to get struck by lightning at 30 years old for less than a week. That is, yeah, that's true. My birthday just turned over. I just want one good strike on camera and then we're gonna go in. It's all coming from this direction here. So I'm gonna look forward here and I'm gonna make myself as small as possible and just camp. Come on, give me one good strike so I can go in the house and just film the rest from inside. I don't want to be out here. It's not like I have a vehicle and I'm a professional storm chaser. I'm crouched outside my house, exposed to the elements. It's not the best place to take cover. Over there, right above us, look. I don't want to get too close to the house. There's spiders all over it. We missed one right as I got here too. That's a sucky thing. There was a strike right as I got here before I turned the camera on. Let's look up. If we get some good strikes, I'll put it on YouTube right away, but if not, it'll go into the queue with the rest of the videos in the editor. Getting close. If anything, I could always jump in my bedroom window. I'm gonna open it up just in case. Damn. It's still recording. Okay, good. Open it up. Right there, like that. Just in case I need a plan B. I know you guys don't usually see my front yard. That's because I don't usually use it. My boots are getting all bummed up here. I didn't buckle them. I just felt heat. Whoa! Fuck! That's gonna be loud. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 miles away and incoming. The heart of the storm, I mean. That should have registered on the speaker. Whoa, to hear just roll over us. I don't know why I'm staring at the camera screen. It's not like it's gonna change my filming. I can't see it. It's the fucking timer. It keeps turning off. I'm just looking at it to try to get a good angle. Okay. We don't have much battery left, so let's hope and pray that we get a good strike on film before I have to go in. Some water on the lens. It's on the screen. Just don't put my hand on the ground. Come on, one good strike. Come on. Give me one on film, come on. One on camera, come on. Like I said, keep pointed this direction. After the next one, I'm going in. Ooh, it's getting close. Rain coming down. Okay, after the next one I'm going to... Come on. Bring it on, Mother Nature. As long as you don't bring it on right on my head, I'm ready for it. Come on. One strike, come on. One strike. Ah, here comes a French and the Furious car. There's one of those stupid fart box cans on it. It's a Honda Civic too. What should I expect? Try not to get that on camera. I don't want a Civic on my YouTube. The lights turned off. Whoa, okay, we got that. Let's go after the thunder. A couple more seconds. Alright, let's go for it. Run. Fucking run. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a big storm coming. Look at the wires already. It's not even here yet. Let's go in the safety of cover of the house. Okay. What did you think of those balls, huh? People say you got balls to floor it, balls to prove you're forward. How about those balls? I got the balls to challenge Mother Nature to a game of chicken with lightning. Oh yeah, the other window's open. What am I doing? The other window doesn't have a screen. My guitar's there. This wasn't very smart. I'll film for as long as the battery lasts. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the other room and close that window. My Xbox and shit's in there. Right close to the window too, see? Here, let's go back in the other room. Don't mind this busted door. It's hailing, I think. Oh yeah, it's hailing. Whoa! First thunderstorm of the year, and it's a doozy. Woo! Getting junk blown in my face from the lawn. Fucking flies flew in my house. Oh wait, no, that was just a piece of pollen. Try not to get the apartments on film. I just want the sky. Whoa, whoa! Sorry about that, guys. That's the nature of the business. Okay. It's all coming from this direction. Sorry about the plant, guys. I'm trying to see if I can put it down somewhere. Watch the camera. Make sure I'm